Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today in this video we are watching the latest wardrobe design ideas because modular wardrobes already just has the many wardrobes in the bedroom furniture. Modular wardrobe saves you a lot of space because the carcass of the wardrobe is made as per your choice. You manage to make intelligent use of space available inside the wardrobe. Modular wardrobes save you a lot of time since you have separate racks and shelves to hold different items. You don't have to waste time and find the things you need. You get ready to faster and without worry about missing something. You also get to save lot of money in two ways. One, you don't have to buy another wardrobe. Once you are realized the current one does not meet your needs, and two, you don't have to deal with multiple vendors in order to get your wardrobe ready. You can customize your wardrobe to the space available in your room. Modular wardrobes can come in 2 doors and 3 doors and 4 doors. Door formats with inbuilt loft space depending on the space available in your room. You can go for swing doors or sliding doors so that there is space in your move to around. Different people have different kind of belongings. If you have more clothes, you may want to increase the number of shelves and racks your wardrobe. Those customizing in your belongings. Similarly, you may want to hang them instead of keeping them vertical. Modular wardrobe let you create different kind of storage spaces with your wardrobe. This is how much you can customize wardrobe according to storage style and in your taste. While ready-made cupboards come with modular wardrobes can be customized as per your aesthetic need or the decor. You have two range of options in materials, glass, wood and color so that you can create wardrobe that sync with look and feel your room. Conveniently wardrobes are understood to be taking up space in your room, but modular wardrobes can actually maximize the space in your room. The swing doors of standard cupboards can make it difficult for your walk, but sliding door wardrobes in your room can actually make the room look bigger. Finally, modular wardrobes keep your clutter free. Since you invest a lot of thoughts in determining the number of arrangements of racks and shelves, drawers in your wardrobe, you can keep them. You don't have to spend lot of energy decluttering every now. You may have had two modular wardrobes already, just as the many wardrobes in the bedroom furniture. However, there is more modular wardrobes than are unique style. Modular wardrobes can clutter and spilling face when open your wardrobe. Non-modular wardrobes such as steel almirahs tend to seem as quick, easy solution to storage needs. All you need to pay almirahs get delivered to you. That's how you manage solve your wardrobe problem. Non-modular wardrobes fall short when it's come, helping you a long term. With time to time belongings to grow when your wood like store then organize the also changes. The ready-made system is just not enough to maintain. So friends, if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, like and share it. Thank you for watching.